So when you click on the Ask Me Anything button, it runs a function that accept to three parameters. One is the what you mentioned in the input tag, input, and then the second one is AI response comes, and then it's the role of like user or AI. Let me show you the UI preview. Here is UI. Oh, so let's ask him something. Mm, what is what is AI? Let's go for it. Then when I click on ask me anything, come on. So the AI generated the response. It's way too long. AI stands for artificial intelligence. At its core, AI is broad, so it's the answer from the AI. And as you can see, it is properly visible. And this is our question, and this is the answer from AI. We can also identify the same question, or we can get an idea on the same question if we click on those two. So that's all.